Hey guys, this is Connor with Maintenance Made Simple. Today we're going to be installing our insulation in the basement now that the electrical's up. There's not too much to it, so you guys just enjoy the video.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
This is the insulation we picked up. It's from Lowe's. It's 3.5 inches wide for 2x4 walls and 23 inches for 24-inch on center and 93 inches tall. And the only reason we got it from Lowe's is because it has 11 pieces, and that's almost exactly what we should need in this basement. And it's just a fiberglass insulation.
You bring me comfort to my soul. 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 You bring me comfort to my soul.
So there's the insulation all installed. Looks pretty good. That's what it should look like when you install it. You don't want it all crinkly and bunched together, because then it won't do what it's supposed to and insulate. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me doing the installation. It's not very hard. Anyone can do it. Just some tips if you are doing it and you've never worked with fiberglass insulation. If you're gonna go shower, make sure that you take a cold shower at first to let the fiberglass rinse off, because if you don't and you take a hot shower, it's just gonna go right into your pores and then you're gonna itch forever. So make sure you do that if you're gonna shower. Wear clothes that you don't particularly care about if it gets it on there, because it's kind of hard to get out. The next video coming out is gonna be putting that 6mm plastic up for the vapor barrier. And then after that, hopefully these windows that we have. And I have one installed in here already that I switched out, and that's what they look like over there. So stay tuned for these upcoming videos. Try and make them as informational as possible. and hopefully you guys are enjoying them. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. It helps us out a lot. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.